Hello guys. Welcome to Centaur Interactive channel. Today, we will discuss 5 strategies that will change your approach on PPC. Let's get into the topic. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising is a form of paid search marketing that lets you pay for each click on your ads. With PPC, you can target potential customers based on a variety of criteria, such as location and previous interests. This helps you drive more targeted traffic to your site and increase the chances of converting them into paying customers. There are 5 things that will change the way you approach PPC for e-commerce. Number 1, power of audience targeting. By using PPC to reach your audience, you can increase the amount of money you spend on marketing. When you combine display remarketing with similar audiences, you can increase your conversion rate by as much as 40%. The second strategy is use lookalike audiences. Facebook has made it possible to create lookalike audiences. Make sure to build a list of at least 1,000 people. Having a good customer experience will help you generate more sales. Number 2, choosing the right platform is crucial. You need to select the right platform to advertise your products. Consider your product and audience. If you sell handmade accessories, you may be better suited to Facebook or Instagram or Google ads. Most or all of these platforms have an ad section where you can target your audience by interests and behavior. This way, you can fine-tune your ads and increase your sales in no time. In other words, it will be easy for the Google algorithm to read the content and make a purchase. Moreover, PPC ads should be customized to the product. If your products are related to other products, it will be easier for your audience to click on them. When you use the right keywords, you can target more customers than ever before. Number 3, measure the ROAS of your campaign. The second tip is to measure the ROAS of your PPC campaigns. It is important to analyze your competitors' returns and calculate the ROAS of your ads. The average order value of a product helps determine the ROI of your advertising campaign. The return on your investment in PPC is an important indicator of your success. You need to be able to justify the cost of your advertisements by monitoring their ROAS. Number 4, optimizing your marketing strategy. You need to have a clear understanding of your audience's buying habits and make sure that your campaigns are relevant to their needs. You can also adjust your campaigns accordingly. For instance, if you sell leggings for $37 and then a pair costs $130, you'll be making more money. Number 5, know and understand your target audience. If you want to have a good ROI for your PPC campaigns, you must know your target audience. Then, you will be able to tailor your ads accordingly. By knowing your target audience, you can save a lot of money on your ads and increase your conversions. If you do this, PPC will become an essential part of your marketing strategy. The next step is find a niche. You must have a clear idea of the products and services you want to sell. By targeting your audience on your site, you can increase your website traffic and boost your brand awareness. Once they've visited your site, they'll be interested in your products. If you have a good product, they'll be willing to buy. But it's not enough to be seen on your website. This is a key way to ensure your business stands out from the competition. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more marketing-related updates.